know, it's great coming out here and helping raise money for FIU. It's a great cause, helping out these kids. Got some of them working with us tonight. Very exciting.
It's actually very cool. This is my first SOBE event, and I've been excited all weekend long, working and meeting new chefs, and I'm just so excited for this opportunity.
This is such a great event. I did this last year, and I definitely wanted to come back, helping the students at FIU. It was just amazing, and it means a lot to me to help out all the students.
It was a great opportunity for me, to really multitask everything, so it was a good experience for me.
It's my first time doing it, so I'm just a sponge right now.
Pretty cool thinking back 20 years when I first started doing this, that the exposure to this kind of stuff is fantastic.
Learned so much from the chef that was above me. I definitely want to pass that down and make sure that that's something that, they can benefit off of and just, be great.